In the world of tactical knives, there's a name that delivers relentless performance without the elite price tag: Kershaw. For 2026, they've refined their formulas, pushing American-made and designed blades into new territory of speed, durability, and outright value. But with dozens of models, which ones truly stand out as the best? I've handled, tested, and carried the entire lineup to bring you the definitive top 7. These aren't just pocket knives, they're tools built for decisive action. This is the breakdown of the 7 best tactical Kershaw knives you need to know about in 2026. Number 7. Kershaw Leek. We begin with a legend that redefined what a gentleman's tactical folder could be. The Kershaw Leek is a masterclass in minimalist, efficient design, packing formidable capability into a sleek, non-threatening package. Its defining feature is the slender, needle-like reverse Tonto blade, ground from corrosion-resistant Sandvik 14C28 in steel. This geometry provides an incredibly fine, penetrating point perfect for detailed work or precise cuts, while the speed-safe assisted opening mechanism ensures it deploys with a crisp, authoritative snap at the push of the flipper or thumb stud. The anodized aluminum handle is remarkably slim, facilitating deep, discreet pocket carry that makes the knife virtually disappear until needed. The frame lock is robust and secure, and the reversible pocket clip offers seamless customization. This is the quintessential tactical knife for the professional and urban environments, the executive, the engineer, or the covert professional, who requires a tool that is both elegantly unobtrusive and instantly, decisively capable when the moment demands it. Number 6. Kershaw Cryo. When you demand uncompromising toughness on a strictly compromised budget, there is one clear champion. Designed in direct collaboration with renowned knife maker Rick Hinderer, the Kershaw Cryo injects true hard-use DNA into an astonishingly affordable package. You feel its purpose immediately. The handle is solid, textured stainless steel, providing a dense, confidence-inspiring grip that locks into your palm. The modified drop point blade is a stout, thick-spined workhorse, designed to handle prying and abusive tasks that would make thinner blades falter. The speed-safe assisted flipper deployment is snappy and satisfying, and the frame lock engages with a solid clack. While weighty, its compact size makes it a perfect heavy-duty EDC. The Cryo is the ultimate gateway into serious tactical folders, a beater knife you can abuse without guilt, a loaner you trust, and a testament to how much rugged, reliable performance Kershaw can engineer for minimal investment. Number 5. Kershaw Blur. This is where Kershaw's tactical identity solidifies into an icon. The Blur isn't just a model, it's a benchmark. It achieves a perfect balance of aggressive ergonomics, reliable performance, and American manufacturing. The handle is a masterpiece of grip engineering, featuring aggressively textured anodized aluminum overlaid with Santoprene TrackTech inserts. The result is a handle that is absolutely glued to your hand, whether wet, dry, or gloved. The blade, available in Tonto or drop point profiles, fires out with the authoritative speed of the Speed Safe Assist, and the optional partially serrated edge offers versatility for cutting rope or seatbelts. Details like the deep carry pocket clip, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a safety lock underscore its purpose-built design. Made in the USA with premium steels like S30V, the Blur is the trusted, go-anywhere, do-anything folder for military personnel, law enforcement, and survivalists who need a tool that has been proven in the field and refuses to quit. Number 4. Kershaw Dividend. Tactical elegance is a rare and potent combination, blending the unassuming grace of a daily carry tool with the latent, ready power of a field-ready instrument. The Kershaw Dividend masters this duality with a sophistication that places it in a category of its own. At first glance, it disarms with its clean, minimalist aesthetics. The handle showcases precision milling, creating subtle contours and a refined, stone-washed or anodized finish that would look perfectly at home beside a laptop or a leather-bound notebook. The sleek, drop-point blade maintains a conservative profile, avoiding the aggressive angles of more overtly tactical designs. However, the moment you engage the flipper tab or thumb stud, the Dividend's true character is unleashed through Kershaw's renowned speed-safe assisted opening mechanism. The blade rockets from its handle with a crisp, authoritative snap, locking into place with a solid and reassuring click. This isn't merely about fast access. It's about the psychological shift from passive carry to active readiness in an instant. Beyond deployment, the Dividend's performance is engineered for excellence. Number 3. Kershaw Knockout, a knife that masterfully blends lightweight agility with the reassuring heft of serious capability. It stands out with its unique construction. The handle utilizes a sandwich design with an aluminum frame layered over a textured, peel-ply carbon fiber sheet. This creates an incredibly rigid, yet surprisingly light, platform with a grippy, high-traction surface that locks into your palm. The heart of the Knockout is its distinct, modified spear point blade, featuring a large, crescent-shaped opening hole for lightning-fast deployment. This manual opening method, paired with a smooth ball-bearing pivot, offers a quick, satisfying, and highly reliable action without an assist mechanism. The blade shape itself is a versatile workhorse, offering a fine point for precision and a deep belly for powerful slicing. The Knockout represents a different kind of tactical philosophy, one focused on ergonomic perfection, balanced weight distribution, and a robust, manual deployment you can feel in complete control of. It's the choice for the user who values a solid, hand-filling grip and a blade that feels like an extension of their will, ready for sustained, demanding use where control is paramount. Number 2. Kershaw Bareknuckle, for the purist who values refinement and fidget-fast action. The Bareknuckle is a modern masterpiece. This knife represents an evolution of the tactical flipper, ditching assisted opening for a superior deployment system. Its standout feature is the innovative subframe lock, where a nested stainless steel lock bar is integrated into a monolithic aluminum handle. This creates an incredibly slim, comfortable profile and allows for a silky smooth KVT ball-bearing pivot. The flip action is addictively quick and drop-shut smooth, offering a level of tactile feedback and control that assisted knives can't match. Made in the USA with excellent steel choices, the Bareknuckle appeals to the discerning user who appreciates minimalist, robust design, next-level fit and finish, and the sheer pleasure of a perfectly tuned manual action. It's a thinking person's tactical knife, all performance, no unnecessary bulk. Number 1. Kershaw Iridium, claiming our top spot is the knife that best embodies the future of Kershaw's tactical design language. Adaptive, intelligent, and exceptionally capable. The Iridium makes a statement the moment you see it, with a handle machined from a single piece of aluminum into dramatic, geometric facets that provide a supremely secure and comfortable grip in multiple positions. Its deployment is a revelation, a flawlessly tuned, manual flipper on KVD ball bearings that sends the blade rocketing open with a light touch, yet feels controlled and precise. The Stonewash drop point blade is a versatile all-rounder, equally adept at slicing and piercing. It's the complete package, stunning and functional aesthetics, lightning-fast and reliable deployment, premium materials, and a carry profile that's both substantial and sleek. The Iridium doesn't feel like just another knife. It feels like the next step. It's our number 1 pick for 2026 because it successfully balances innovative design with uncompromising tactical performance, offering a glimpse into where folding knife technology is headed.